it's Winger Freedom. Once again, we are playing FS Advanced with our new Boeing 787 plane. So this is Kwanzaa's, by the way. Good morning for the Philippines. Good morning for the people. And yeah, so I wanted to tell you something. I unlocked this new plane. I didn't unlock the A380 because I don't like it. I mean, I like it, but this is a Boeing. I love it. Well, you go. Oh wow! The cockpit of this plane is amazing. I can see a little car in there. Look at this cockpit. So let's talk to the passengers. Ding dong. This is the Captain Chicken. We're gonna take off in 60 seconds in here and 60 minutes later, and thank you. Enjoy the flight. I actually don't know what to say for the passengers, but that's we actually know what to say to the ATC. Let's talk to ATC right now. This is a Qantas 9810. Requesting airport clearance include currently at gate 7 here. Qantas 9810, you are clear for takeoff at runway left and you're ready for pushback. Roger that. Okay, so clear for takeoff. I mean, ready for pushback, that's okay. Climb high above the sky, okay. Ground requesting pushback. Okay, let's go in here. That time, this game is really amazing at all. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. This game is cool. I love it. Huh? How can many people hate this game? I mean, so many people love this game. Yeah. Even I'm a FS gamer, and yeah. Okay, we should stop the pushback in here. Go. This is Qantas 9810. Pushback complete and requesting transport to runway. Qantas taxi to runway left 35, please. Okay, roger that. So let's go in here. Ah, this is cool. I love it. Even the cockpit in this aircraft is cool. 2 engines, it's amazing too. Ooh. Wow, look at this. The new update, I mean, this is a new aircraft. Yeah, maybe in the new update we'll create a new aircraft, maybe, or livery or something. I know there's a livery of this aircraft, Air Canada. I know that. So yeah. Are you kidding me? Okay, that plane's turning around, so that's cool. Oh my gosh. Qantas, you need more passengers. Oh, shut it. Oh, okay, so I have a little. Okay, I have a little passengers inside of my plane, so that's okay. I mean, the ATC just talked with, like, how did they know that I have little passengers in my plane? You gotta be kidding me, right? How did they know? But that's okay, let's just go. Okay, so we are getting some passengers in this place. Okay. This place is weird. I mean, in this place. Oh. So we made it to go in here, and you gotta be freaking kidding me. Are you kidding? Okay, let's full channel. I mean, let's just channel a little because I'm really disappointed. But that's ATC. I need your help. There's a little pretty whatever. Oh my gosh. Oh, that was so close. I'm really disappointed with that plane. Why is he? Oh my gosh. Ah. Yeah. Thank you. Okay, I think that's the one that I have to say about that thing. Okay, let's correct the camera in there and let's go. Whoa. Okay, we are ready to go with our new aircraft in here. Woohoo. My little British, you always kill me with my little plane in here. Oh, look at that. This is cool, hello? I mean, at all. Whee! The wings, the right and left, the wings are moving right now, but that's fine, it's fine. Let's take off right now. Whee! That's an amazing one. That was a successful takeoff. Look at that. We made a great takeoff in here. And yeah, let's take a landing gear on. Yeah, flaps up. And ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. Please take your seatbelts off and enjoy your flight. Thank you. Yeah. This is a new Qantas aircraft in here. This is cool. Qantas, climb high above the sky. Okay. Climb high above the sky. Why do I need to climb high above the sky? Are you kidding me? Alright guys, so we are here right now. We are gonna land. The plane, it's hard to control, but that's fine. There you go, the landing gear is going down. So, flaps are great in here. Okay, let's steer up in the left side. This is a Qantas 9810. Let's get a short final in here. Qantas 9810. You are clear for landing at runway right 25. Clear for landing at runway right 25. Okay. What? Now we're gonna land the runway right now? Okay. Let's make this successful landing. If we can do that perfect landing, that could be a greater one. Let's go. Let's make this successful landing. I hope we can make it. Okay, there you go. Let's make this smooth one. Qantas, it's coming in your way! Let's throttle up a little. I'm going so slow. Yeah. Oh dear. Let's make this smooth landing. Ooh, I'm going to the left side or right side or whatever. Oh yeah, land. That was a big perfect landing. That was a big smooth landing. But it landed so very long. That's okay. Qantas 9810. Nice landing. Oh, thank you for that nice landing. Perfect landing. Oh, I got 5 stars. Wow, thank you. I love it. It's a bioluminescent plane here. There you go. This is so cool at all. This is a perfect plane to land. It's so great. I did a perfect landing except with the other planes. Except with the 747 too. My dream plane. Yeah. Ha. This is cool. I love it so much. Alright guys. So we are here at the gate right now. And I know this aircraft is gonna hit with his wings in my butt crack. And yeah, and let's talk to this. We're in a livery There's a name in here. Norwegian.com. Oh my gosh. Dreamliner. Oh, what? This is the Dreamliner? Okay, so this, what? I don't know which country is in. Kristen Flagstad. Flagstad? Oh, there he goes. Is that a Flagstad? So Dreamliner, Norwegian dot no or com. Yeah, so maybe Norwegian.com in here. A www.com. Let's go. So yeah, let's go in here. Actually, this plane's a new one, so I want to tell you something. The A359 in here is bigger than my little plane. And this is cool, I love it. Norwegian.com. I have to search that on Google as what is that or whatever. Okay, by the way, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching and subscribing, and remember, you will see in my next video, guys. Bye. Thank you, guys. Bye.